All right, so that was super cool. What'd you think?
I mean, we're being investigated by the first order. What is that? What'd you do? Did you pack something on this on this cruise we shouldn't have?
Hey guys, welcome back to Professional Weekenders YouTube channel. Today we are on board the Halcyon Galactic Starcruiser and we're going to give you a room tour. So stick around and check it out. It's going to be a lot of fun. Let's go.
Let's go. Alright guys, so we are in room 5208 and we just take our M bands right here and tap it. If you guys can see, it turns green. Lewis opens the door and there we go. So heading in. And we're just going to go straight back. We'll come back and look at the bathroom later, but here we have a little mirror area. Hello. We're going to get changed later, don't worry. They did provide us with some water and some cups, which is awesome. Moving over here, we have storage, like a closet. The door opens, plenty of stuff there. You have a safe and a cooling supply unit, which I think is so cute. That would be your refrigerator. And this way, we have some more closet space. So you have a pillow, two lovely robes that are super soft, and extra hangers and like a little sleep pad thing. And then going farther through the room, Bella from our host told us that we are able to use this to talk to our droid friend. So we're going to do that in a minute, but we'll learn more about that as we go through. This is actually a Murphy bed, so Lewis will take this down as I show you guys the rest of the room.
Yeah, and actually our bags showed up too. They showed up really quick, much quicker than a standard cruise. There's the extra bed that pops out.
Oh, nice. Okay, so we have a Murphy bed here. But what we're most excited about, and no, that's not the emergency exit, we don't plan on using that, but if we have to, it's there. But what we're most excited about is this awesome view. We see, I'm going to call them planets.
It's a moon?
A moon out there?
Maybe? Yeah.
And we'll turn the lights off in a minute and show you guys what it looks like when the lights are off, but pretty cool.
A bunch of starships cruising by, there goes one.
Yeah, there goes one too. Alright. And then by pressing this button right here, you hear the beep, and then lights out. Then you just see our reflections. So now right underneath this galactic window, we do have a table, like a little desk area.
Pull that from the wall.
Yeah.
We have two chairs.
Two rolly chairs, which is nice. I like that it's not like a traditional setting where, you know, you're tripping over it, you're able to put it away if you're not using it, and so it gives you a little bit more room, which is very nice.
Yeah, it's kind of still rather small though.
Yeah.
Does it open up anymore?
I don't think so. I think that might be it.
Yeah, I guess that is it.
Yeah. So, but you know, you could sit like one person here.
Yeah, enough for some drinks and you know.
Yeah. Little elbow hangout area. All right, cool. All right, so turning from the window, we have trash can, which is very important, and a recycle bin because recycling is important. We have a little side table with some plugs. I don't see them as being USB.
That turns off all the lights.
I don't see any USB chargers there, but that's okay. Here we do have a little pop-out light,
which is super cool. When you push it, it comes on automatically.
Yeah, got the remote control. Yeah, and then
that's been wrapped and sterilized.
Yeah, which is nice. Very nice. And then we have the bed here. I think this is a queen size bed. I'm not positive.
It looks to be.
Yeah. Oh, and then we even have some tips for a successful voyage. So Lewis can take a look at that and give us an opinion about what they say. All right. But what I think we're most excited about is bunk beds. I already told Lewis he's sleeping on top bunk.
Yeah. They look a little tiny. Yeah. Like little dog beds.
Yeah. Liberty would love this. So. But what's awesome is, I mean, this room could in essence sleep, you know, one person there, two people here, and two people here. And this is just a standard room. I didn't book anything. So you got a family of 5 in here. Yeah, bless it. But yeah, you could be a family of 5 in here for sure. Going back this way into the bathroom area, to the right here, you have a full-size shower with a, oh nice, you have a rainfall water head, as well as like a traditional, more of like a, I don't know, that kind of shower head. Your soap, your spigots, Turning to the right, you have some hanging hooks, full-size mirror, which is lovely, the commode, because that's important, even in space, some towels, and then a full-size mirror with some storage underneath of that. That is the hair dryer box right there, some towels, some more towels, and this looks like this is like a little, I can't open it with one-handed, but this is like a, hold on, figure it out. And this thing, it has, oh, a foaming bubble mask. That looks like fun. 2 foaming bubble masks. Oh, so this is not, maybe it's a shampoo? Conditioner? Hand soap?
Shampoo
Hand soap.
Conditioner on the wall.
Yeah, I'm interested to know what this foaming bubble mask is. Alright, and then we have some face cloths, which I am loving because I forgot to pack mine. So yeah, way to go, Galactic Starcruiser. Thoughts in the room?
Yeah, it's nice. It's super, you know, spacey.
Yeah.
The toilet, you know, that looks futuristic. Mm-hmm. Did we go over the Do Not Disturb button?
We did not go over the Do Not Disturb button.
You got the, instead of having the standard placard that you put on the door, you have Do Not Disturb, lock, and clean. So a little droid comes to clean your room.
I don't think it's a droid, but yeah.
It looks like a droid.
Well, it could be. So the lights aren't working at the moment. The main one. Hey guys, Editor Christine here. I'm really disappointed that the camera that we use for vlogging did not pick up just how amazing this, you know, window out into the galaxy was. So here we set up a GoPro overnight, and this was what the window looked like on our final night on the Starcruiser. So clearly you can see just how exciting and how vivid these pictures are. So mind you, obviously this is a time lapse, and yes, it's sped up to be able to, you know, fit into this video. But all in all, we really love this view, and I would bet that as things are happening around the ship, and, you know, as TIE fighters are blowing past, or as we're under, you know, watch the First Order, the scene changes as well. All right, guys, and here we have the nighttime view out the window, which is nice. We have all the lights off, super quiet. Do hear some people down the hallway, but it's not too bad. So yeah. Good times. Yeah,
that is an interesting point. The doors don't seem to be very soundproof.
Yeah, pretty reminiscent of the
I hear quite a bit going on down the hallway, in fact.
Yeah.
So be aware of that.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, but so far not horrible.
Yeah, but I mean, you can hear people talking audibly in the hallway, and then that means your privacy when you're in your room could be a concern.
Yeah. Yeah, good point. All right, so Lewis is going to climb up there and see if he can fit.
We'll see if a full-size adult can fit up here. I'm about 6'2". So.
You're gonna climb up there, or you're just gonna crawl under?
Well, you gotta get the full experience.
Oh, okay. All right.
Take my shoes off.
Yeah, good call. Not your head. Oh my God.
Yeah. Oh, it is tight.
Mm-hmm.
And it's definitely not the. Well, it's cushioned, but it feels very solid, like a cheap sort of mattress.
Yeah.
Up here. But, I mean, I suppose I could sleep up here, yeah.
Are you like Thomas Jefferson it, where you only have an inch above and
I had that same exact thought, and that is exactly what's going on here.
Yeah.
So if you don't know the reference in Monticello, when Thomas Jefferson built his house, he built it into the wall, which is about this thick, and he was 6'2", and he built his bed 6'2" and a half, 6'2.5" inches. So you can't stretch your feet out, and that's pretty much what I'm doing here. Like,
yeah. He's literally noggin to tippy toes.
I've got about an inch to play with one way or the other.
Yeah.
So I mean, you can do it. You know, I definitely think it's more for kids.
Yeah.
But it's doable.
People who are short like me. I'm only 5'4", so.
Yeah.
I'm not climbing up there though. All right, good times.
All right. Okay, and so here are the tips for a successful voyage. Basically what this says is that you determine your own path throughout the voyage. It's up to you to interact with different characters. That some of them will come up to you and you choose what type of information you want to share, or if you want to get involved in whatever it is that's going on. They say if there's any kind of curious commotion, feel free to join in. No two adventures are alike, and that even means within your own party, you can split up and choose different paths. You can go light side or dark side. And then basically, you need the data pad in order to complete the experience. And lastly, they do provide you with a data pad when you check in. So this is how you know that these hotel rooms are still super fresh and newly built. There's painter's tape.
Oh no!
So if you guys stay in room 5208, let us know if that painter tape's still there. I'd be interested to know how long it stays. I'm not taking it off. Alright, and ignore the super messy bed, but we did discover that there are lights underneath the bed, which is kind of a neat effect. And different switches throughout the cabin do different things. There's a main switch which will turn all the lights off, but other switches throughout the cabin will turn other lights on and off. So there's a ton of switches throughout the whole thing. And it can be kind of difficult at times to find out what switch does what. And this one here in particular I've had trouble with. It doesn't press very good. You have to really kind of force it.
So looking at the console here, looks like we have our temperature right here. And that's set as cold as it can be because it's already hot. And I like to be cold. I don't know how to fire it up. So I think...
the white button.
You do it.
Yeah, so we're going to push the droid link button. It's got a volume button, but this has got the... I think that says call, or I don't know what that says.
Yeah.
Droid link.
Okay. Oh.
I don't know which way is volume up or down.
So tap N band for credential. So go ahead and tap your N band. Oh, alright, access granted. Here, hold the camera. I want to turn the lights off.
Came up with my name there.
Oh, it came up with your name? Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
They are. Contact me if anything changes. Oh, it's a new passenger. Hello, and welcome aboard. Is now a good time to discuss your journey?
Yeah, now's a great time.
Wonderful. My name is D309, the logistics droid of the Halcyon, and I'll be available to you here during your journey. Have you used a droid link panel before?
No.
Don't worry, it's easy. This is where we'll talk throughout your journey. And I cannot see into your cabin, as this is an audio-only link, so please speak clearly. So tell me, what brings you to our treasured ship?
We want to travel the galaxy.
An explorer! Well, you've certainly picked the right ship. What do you think about this being the anniversary of the Halcyon's maiden voyage to Batuu?
I think it's fantastic.
It is indeed. How many others can say they're on the Halcyon's 275th standard year anniversary voyage? Actually, 367 other passengers can. Now, before I forget, did you bring any Dianoga eggs with you on board?
I don't know what that is.
We discovered a clutch of fertilized eggs left unattended in the hydrolift. Absolutely nothing to worry about, of course. Do they happen to be yours?
No.
I suppose I'll have to keep looking before something hatches. Yes, that is disturbing, but I'm with a passenger. Panicking won't solve anything, and you watch your language. Oh dear, you don't understand binary, do you?
Actually, I do. I don't think you understand me.
Oh, that's all right. In any event, I won't hide what's happening. The Halcyon is being investigated by the First Order. My colleague is worried they might cause problems for us. But I'm not worried. Are you?
No, I'm not worried.
Excellent. We have planned this voyage to be free of worries. Now, in the meantime, your first shipwide event is muster. Did you have any questions about it?
Where do I go?
Muster takes place in the atrium at 4 p.m. Captain Keevan assembles everyone, welcomes them to the Halcyon, and then shares important logistical information about our voyage. Oh, it's quite moving. I always make a point of attending because, oh, blast it! The Dianoga eggs. I need to move them to secure containment, so I'll miss muster today. Will you come back and let me know what you think of it?
Absolutely.
Thank you. And whenever I have something to share with you, I'll activate your panel's red notification light so you know when to call me. How does that sound?
Fantastic.
Perfect. Now, as for what you can do first, since you mentioned your desire for exploration, I'd recommend you participate in one of our Exploring the Starcruiser guided orientations. They leave every 30 minutes from the atrium. So, unless there's anything else, I'll let you get started exploring the ship.
Sounds good.
Thank you.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I just realized I have to deal with an urgent situation in maintenance. If you have any urgent questions, please find a crew member. They'll be happy to help. Best journey.
Bye.
Bye. And you want to turn the lights back on?
Yeah, okay.
Alright, so that was super cool. What'd you think?
I mean, we're being investigated by that first order. What is that? What'd you do? Did you pack something on this on this cruise we shouldn't have had?
Yeah, those eggs. I wasn't going to take ownership, though.
Yeah, I can tell. Yeah.
Doesn't sound like that's going so well.
Alright, cool. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and end the hotel vlog here as far as the hotel room tour. Make sure you have your notifications on and you are subscribing to our channel so you can see all the great things that we have coming over the next couple days. Alright guys, something we forgot to show you earlier is there's actually some storage under here, and we missed it. So you definitely can probably store some bags that are under there. Maybe a droid? Who knows?
Hi guys, so here's your pro tips for the cabin room here on the Galactic Starcruiser. Alright, pro tip number 1 is be careful with the locks in the bathroom. Accidentally, during our stay, one of the locks in the bathroom was locked and we were stuck on the outside. Luckily, I was able to use a key to kind of push that back open and had no problem. Just a regular house key. You know, anything sharp and pointy, long and pointy would work. Pro tip number 2 is be sure to get to know your room droid. Depending on the activities around the ship, her responses do change and you get different interactions different times of different days. Pro tip number 3 is to remember to press all the buttons. There are a ton of buttons all around the whole room and they all do different things. If you press them and interact with them, it'll help you get more familiar with the surroundings of the room and what all the different functions are. So that's going to do it for us today. Remember to like, share, comment, subscribe. Let us know what did you think of this room. I thought it was fantastic. And with that, we're out of here, so we'll see you next weekend.
Quickly.
Alright. Hey guys, welcome back to Professional Weekend's YouTube channel. Today we are at bar. Alright. Hey, one of our locks got locked.
We were on the outside.
Yeah. Alright.
Okay. So for some reason,
Red button.
it's the red button. Oh, okay.
Alright guys, so here's your pro tips for the cabin room here on the
Galactic Starcruiser. Looks like we have our temperature, which is already set to hold a second. Well,
which they do provide you when you log or when you sign
check in.
When you check in, log in, check in, sign in. Yeah.
Alright guys, and here's what it looks like in the dark. So we have a loud bathroom door, but that's okay. It was lurking in the background. It's alright. Alright. And, oh yeah, we'll see you next weekend. Bye!
Bye.